Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about dividing a polynomials by a monomial. Okay? The first example is 2x square plus 4x plus 8. We are dividing it by 2x. What you'll do 2x square over 2x plus 4x over 2x plus 8 over 2x. Get the 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. We will have a formula a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. Okay, or we have now x square over x, right? So x times x over x. X and x will get cancelled, then we're getting only x. But if you have bigger numbers, we can't write that many multiples and cancel. So in this example, if you have x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 1, we can just simply write 2 minus 1, that is x to the power of 1 is x. Okay. So x square over x is just x. Here x and x will get cancelled. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 over 2x. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and x. Okay. Second example. 32p square minus 40p minus 8 divided by 8. What you will do? 32p square divided by 8 minus 40p divided by 8 minus 8 over 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4 and p square. 40 divided by 8 is 5p. 8 divided by 8 is 1. We have the answer 4p square minus 5p minus 1. Okay. Coming to the third example, 21y to the power of 4, 14y square, 35y cube plus 7y over 7y. What you'll do? 21y to the power of 4 over 7y. 14y square over 7y, 35y cube over 7y plus 7y over 7y. Okay, 21 divided by 7 is 3. And you know, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is m minus n. By using that formula, y to the power of 4 and nothing is there means it is y to the power of 1. So 4 minus 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2, y to the power of 2 minus 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5, y to the power of 3 minus 1, because the power here, if nothing is there, it is 1. And 7y divided by 7y is 1. 3y to the power of 3 plus 2y, 2 minus 1 is 1. And 5y square plus 1. And we have to rearrange the answer from the highest degree to the least degree, because here 2y and 5 square are in switching position. In the standard form, we always have to write it from the highest degree to the least degree. 3y cube plus 5y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay. Coming to the fourth example, minus 16 b to the power of 8 minus 12 b to the power of 7 minus 32 b to the power of 6, 12 b to the power of 4 over 4 b to the power of 4. Minus 16 b to the power of 8 over 4 b to the power of 4 minus 12 b to the power of 7 over 4 b to the power of 4 minus 32 b to the power of 6 over 4b to the power of 4 and 12b to the power of 4 over 4b to the power of 4. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. b to the power of 8 minus 4. because we have the formula a to the power of m divided by n is m minus n. So b to the power of 8 divided by b to the power of 4 is 8 minus 4, which is b to the power of 4. Okay. And negative 12 divided by 4 is 3, b to the power of 7 minus 4. Minus 32 divided by 4 is 8, b to the power of 6 minus 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, b to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4 will get cancelled. Negative 4 b to the power of 4 minus 3 b to the power of 3 minus 8 b to the power of 2 plus 3. Okay. We'll go with the last example. 1 half into 2x times 2x plus 1. See, they didn't give you the answer in the direct form. Okay. So first we have to multiply and then do it. So what you will do, 2x times 2x plus 2x times 1 here. Then only we have to divide it by 2. So 4x square plus 2x divided by 2. Okay. Then we will do division individually. 4x square divided by 2, 2x divided by 2. 2x square plus x. I hope I gave you a clear idea about dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Thank you so much for watching.